I think I might have found just like the perfect combination for these particular phones. This is the Z Fold 7 and this is the Z Flip 7. So instead of unboxing these and just showing it to you in a video, show you what they look like on the phone, talking about them, I decided to use them for 24 hours, believe it or not. And you know I'm team caseless, but I definitely decided to use these for 24 hours just to kind of get a feel for them. So this is a Poetic case here. Now this case here has MagSafe and a kickstand for the Fold. Kickstand comes out like this. This is actually the Spartan. I'm sorry, this is a Spartan case. These two are Spartan and this is Revolution. And the Revolution I'll get to in a second because it's very eclectic. It has a kickstand on it. And it's also MagSafe as well. Now the MagSafe on this one, kind of different than I'll show you on the Revolution. It kind of looks like it's covering the camera a little bit. It's still there though. And then, you've got the kickstand technology there as well. But this case gives some grip. Now I'll go ahead and take off. I'm not going to take off the front hinge here. I'm just going to top off this back portion here because they're all the same. Let's get it. I found that, man, I think the Revolution is probably like one of my favorites of these cases. But this is what it looks like. And then if you decide to pop open the kickstand and then you pop your phone open, you get this right here. You can sit the phone up like this and watch a full-on movie if you choose to do so. And I just want to kind of give you a sense of this. This is how thin this case is. These cases are for the Fold, and the Fold is really thin already. But this is what it looks like. So, yeah, the Spartan is a fan favorite, I'm sure. But the Revolution is going to make you say, whoa, okay, I like that. So the Revolution also has a kickstand, but it's just kind of hidden away. You can see some hinges right here, but there's an extra little arrow right here as well. And there's a little groove. And out comes the kickstand like that. And you can prop it up any way you want to. Now, this one I think is a lot nicer because the whole back of it is a kickstand. I think this is so cool. So you can go into tent mode without opening the phone. That is why this Revolution one is so cool. And you can see all the MagSafe, the way it goes all the way through on both. And again, this does have MagSafe as well. Super strong. But on this one, they have a little cutout around the camera area to help it. Now, it would have been nice if they'd have done that on this one as well, on the Spartan, but on the Revolution, they did it. I don't know if it's just a design thing, but it does work. And again, the Revolution is one that I really could use like full throttle because the phone is thin and it stays thin with this phone. It's thin with the Spartan, don't get me wrong. But of the two, I like this one right here because it's a little bit more stealthy. Like there's a full-on kickstand that pops open. You'd never think that was there. That's just nuts. It's crazy, right? It's beautiful. So you've got grip, MagSafe, protection. The phone now it's got what it needs, which is some kind of grip to it. So the fingerprint reader on here works flawless every time. It's a nice big cutout here, and there's also a lip there to help get the phone open. Some people have said, I need something to help me open the phone up. But this phone case has so much grip on it. I think you're really going to like it. You can see all cutouts and ports and everything around here are lined up perfectly fine. And then this hinge is just all grip. So you've got lip protection on here. It's just good, folks. The Revolution is a good, solid case. Of the two, I definitely like this one more because it has more grip and it offers the same functionality as the Spartan. But the Spartan on the Flip 7 is on a whole nother level. So you've got tons and tons and tons of lip protection around the front to help protect that beautiful front screen. Both of these phones obviously are foldable, so they have two screens. And when you lay this down, your camera and everything is going to be protected. This is top notch, folks. This is really nice. And I've physically been carrying this one in my pocket for the last 24 hours, and I really love it. So on the sides here, while the Spartan series isn't as grippy as the Revolution series in this scenario right here, it still gives grip because these phones need grip. They need grip. And these cases give the grip. Now, this may look like a very bulky case, but folks, it actually doesn't add as much bulk as you might think it would. All ports and everything are lined up perfectly fine here. Grip along the sides, grip along the back. And this one also has a kickstand. It's just kind of hidden away right under this logo right here. You can see the hinge gives it away that it has a kickstand. And you get to pop it up like this to watch your videos or talk to people or whatever you choose to do with it popped open. So this is very nice touch. They they've done a great job of giving full protection for both of these phones. I mean, I just can't stress enough how nice these are. And you know what they could offer you if you decide to pick them up. I'll leave a link in the description to grab all these cases. There's different multiple colors too. My favorite for the Flip 7 is the deep red, and then they have a blue version for the Revolution as well. That is the Spartan series comes in a deep red, and then the Revolution has a deep blue that kind of matches the phone, which is really cool. But you can get them on sale right now. I'll leave a link in the description. They come in different colors. It's just a matter of which one you want to choose. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, links in the description to grab yours of these cases. I think for those that have the Flip 7, you're really going to love this Spartan. It's really nice. And there's other cases, you know, but still, this Spartan is just really eclectic. It's really nice. I think you're going to like what it does. Most cases that are coming out now do have the kickstand like this for the Flip 7. But the Spartan one is going to give you something that some other cases might not offer you. Protection, functionality, kickstand, grip, you know the rest. It's your man Jay. Links in our description. Take care.